Somebody dropped food so close there.
Please don't drop food so close, okay? So these are the cats. They've been here all day and it's Ramadan.
Let's throw. I'm going to throw something for
So
them.
they're so hungry. Rush it, guys. Rush it, rush it, rush it. The cats are so hungry. The Farazan Island cats.
Throw Roger.
Cats now!
Ooh, look at that one.
But Mom,
Mama, don't throw it so close, okay?
draw them away.
Better get up and go that way and drop.
Okay, cats, are you ready for food?
Are you ready for food?
It's swamp feed in the cat. Cat, I'm going to feed you some. Take. Cat, take. Who's your favorite pet? I can look at her. I love the white one.
See, go drop this in that way.
Draw their father away.
Wow.
Street cats like. Mama, you in this Farazan Island, you never see street dogs.
The entire Saudi, to be honest, they are more of cats than dogs.
Put them in the bag.
Lay. Lay.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are they gonna fight?
Take.
Guys, are you guys gonna fight? Oh, that one.
Yikes! Who was saying that? It's just that white cat. That white cat wants.
The other one at the back doesn't like integrating with them.
Oops.
Cat. Take.
Where is the other one at? Uh-oh.
Cat. Stop.
I think all the cats in the neighborhood are here for some feast. Look at them.
Mom.
Yeah. The cats in the neighborhood are here.
The cat is away. Did I do this? No, did I? Did I? Some bread I'll give you. Did I? No. Busted me. Did I? Did I?
All the cats in the neighborhood.
I'll go.
There's a fight about her.
Don't worry.
These two cats look like they want to fight.
I'm not good at hide. Don't worry. But I want to go hide. How about you?
Are they going to fight? Yes or no?
Just like the red flag. But I don't want to. I want to go to. I can't go to the black one. Where is her mommy?
I don't know. I think the black cat is looking for the trouble. Ooh. Yes. I thought.
Look at her mom over there.
Okay, okay.
That black one is looking for her kid.
Okay, look at the mom here. That's the kid. Are you sure it's the mom or the sister?
Mom,
Hey, hey, are you gonna stay there for them to kill your baby? Come on, we'll go fight. Come on. How sure are we that that's the mom?
Mom, there's no kid, Mom.
Yeah, Jessie is scared.
With all the yelling.
Hey, hey, what are you doing? They're killing your child or your sister or your brother or your baby. Adric, where is the other fight? Where is the other cat? Where is the kitten? Up in the on the slide?
No, that's on the side. That's on the stairs.
On the stairs, okay. I can't see it.
Under the table. It's the cat.
Okay, I see it.
Then it's on the table. It was on, not on. It's on the table.
So Here are the cats. I guess they are well fed now. Or they're still going around looking for more food. Yeah, boo boo, don't be scared, okay? And these ones, they're done eating. They're just chilling. This was one of the first cats.
Your legs are your best option. Why?
Hey, are you guys fighting over there?
We are not fighting. We are fighting.
I'm talking to the cats, guys.
How did the cats fight? Oh my God! Thanks to your butt for I need this. How did the wind is pushing me? How did the wind is pushing me?
This one is like, don't try me. Do not try me.